Hi, everyone. Today I will show you earn money from Facebook Reel. Facebook Reel monetization. Those of you who are new, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks to those who did. Be sure to subscribe to get the following video. Today's video is essential for those who want to earn money Facebook Reel. Let's get started. Reel video requirement. Create a video 16 second to 59 seconds. Video capture portrait mode 9:16 ratio. Cover page 1080 to 19. Reel monetization. 1000 follower. 1000 views. In the last 60 days. Step. Open the search engine Google. Type Facebook Creator Studio. Click Creator Studio Facebook. Now appear the business page. Click Create Reel. Add video, write reel details. Upload thumbnail image. Next. Share. Content. Check the uploaded video. Reel video upload process. Thank you for watching my video so patiently.